What if 3 ingredients from your kitchen could detox your body, relieve pain, improve sleep, and even clear your skin without a single pill? Most of us turn to commercial medications and synthetic creams for relief, often accepting side effects as the cost of wellness. But what if that approach is outdated? In this video, Barbara O'Neill reveals a simple yet powerful remedy using Celtic salt, baking soda, and castor oil, a trio that's been quietly transforming lives. You'll learn how these natural ingredients, often overlooked, can work together to cleanse the body, enhance digestion, reduce inflammation, and restore balance to your internal chemistry. Why are doctors not talking about this? Why is something so effective still considered alternative? Let Barbara guide you through the hidden potential of this blend. Its simplicity may surprise you, but its impact could be life-changing. Number 1. Celtic salt. When most people hear the word salt, they think of the plain white stuff in a shaker, table salt. But what many don't know is that table salt has been bleached and highly processed. It's made up of almost 100% sodium chloride, with all the natural minerals taken out. Using too much of it can lead to problems like high blood pressure, poor hydration, and imbalances in your body. Celtic salt, on the other hand, is completely different. It's harvested naturally from clean ocean water using traditional sun-drying methods. It isn't bleached or refined, so it keeps more than 80 trace minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium that your body needs. Here's something really interesting. The mineral mix in Celtic salt is very close to what's found in human blood plasma. During wartime, diluted seawater was even used as an emergency fluid for people when medical supplies ran low. That's how well the body can use it. Adding just a small amount of Celtic salt to your daily routine can help your body in many ways. It may support healthy blood pressure, improve digestion, reduce swelling, and help balance the fluids in your system, especially when you're tired, sweating a lot, or losing water. Here are a few easy ways to use it at home. Mix a small pinch of Celtic salt into warm water and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. Soak your feet in warm water with Celtic salt to relax and sleep better. Make a warm salt wrap to ease sore muscles or minor swelling. It may look like just salt, but Celtic salt is a natural source of minerals that can support your whole body. And the best part? It's affordable and easy to find. Number 2. Baking soda. Baking soda might just be one of the most useful things in your kitchen, and not just for baking cookies. Its real name is sodium bicarbonate, and it works as a natural way to balance acid levels in your body. Your body needs a healthy balance between acid and alkaline, or pH, to work properly. But many people eat a lot of acidic foods, feel stressed, or live in polluted areas. That can make the inside of your body too acidic, leading to problems like tiredness, heartburn, or even inflammation. Baking soda helps neutralize excess acid in your system. This means it can lower the acid in your stomach and blood, bringing things back to a healthy balance. Here's what baking soda can help with. It can relieve heartburn and acid reflux by calming your stomach. It can freshen your breath and reduce bacteria when used as a mouth rinse. It helps create a more alkaline environment in your body, which may reduce inflammation and slow down damage from stress. Easy ways to use baking soda at home. Morning drink. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and drink it on an empty stomach. It can help settle your stomach and support detox. Mouth rinse. Mix a small amount of baking soda with water. Swish it around in your mouth to kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Gentle face scrub. Mix baking soda with a little water to make a soft paste. Rub it gently on your skin to remove dead skin cells. Then rinse off. A quick warning. Baking soda is strong. Using it too often, especially without checking your body's pH, can throw things off in the other direction. Use it a few times a week unless a doctor or health expert tells you otherwise. So while it's cheap and easy to find, baking soda is more than just a baking ingredient. It can be a simple tool for better health when used with care. Number 3. Castor oil. Castor oil might look like just another thick, sticky oil, but it's actually one of the most powerful natural healing tools out there. The secret is that it contains something called ricinoleic acid. This special acid helps fight inflammation and can boost your lymphatic system, which is the part of your body that helps move waste and toxins out. Castor oil doesn't need to be swallowed to work. In fact, it's most powerful when used on the skin. It can go deep into your tissues and help reduce swelling, ease pain, and even help old injuries heal better. What can castor oil do? Help with joint pain, swelling, or scar tissue, especially from things like broken bones or arthritis. Support your liver, the main organ that filters toxins in your body. Break down things like bone spurs, kidney stones, or even scar tissue deep inside the body. Some people even use it to soften benign lumps or old internal scars. One woman in her 70s had a large bunion on her foot that stuck out almost half an inch. After using castor oil compresses on it every night for 2 months, the bunion completely disappeared. Other people have used it to ease liver swelling, break down scar tissue after surgery, or relieve long-term pain from injuries. How to use castor oil at home. Liver pack. Soak a soft cloth, like flannel, in warm castor oil and place it over your right side, just above your waist. Cover it with plastic wrap and a hot water bottle. Leave it on for 30 to 60 minutes. Joint or muscle compress. Apply castor oil to sore areas like knees, wrists, or back, and cover with a warm towel. Rest and let the oil soak in. Avoid drinking it unless under professional care, as it can upset your stomach and cause cramping. Castor oil works best when used regularly over time. It may not show results overnight, but with consistent use, many people see big improvements in pain, swelling, and detox. If you're looking for a natural way to support healing without pills or side effects, castor oil might be just what your body needs. What happens when you mix all three together? Each of these ingredients, Celtic salt, baking soda, and castor oil, can help your body in different ways. But when you use them together, something special happens. They don't just work side by side. They actually support and boost each other. Here's how the combo works. Celtic salt gives your body minerals and electrolytes. These are important for keeping your energy steady, your muscles working, and your cells balanced. Baking soda helps create a healthy alkaline environment in your body. That means it lowers extra acid, which can lead to better digestion and less inflammation. Castor oil acts like a booster. It helps the body move toxins out through the lymph system and encourages healing in deeper tissues. Used together, this simple trio can support full-body detox, calm the nervous system, and help balance hormones. People often report feeling less tired, having fewer aches, and even sleeping better after using it regularly. How to use them? Internal method. Start your morning with this easy drink. 1. Mix a small pinch of Celtic salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water. Drink it on an empty stomach. 2. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Then take 1 teaspoon of castor oil by mouth, or if you prefer, skip the oil by mouth and use it topically. External method. You can also apply the blend to your skin. Warm a little castor oil and mix in a pinch of Celtic salt and baking soda. Rub the mixture on your belly, back, or joints. Cover with a warm towel or cloth to help it soak in. How often to use it? Try this routine 2 or 3 times a week. Everyone's body is different, so pay attention to how you feel. You might start to notice less bloating, better sleep, more energy, and even improved mood. This mix isn't magic. It's just nature working with your body, not against it. Simple ingredients. Big results. How this trio supports your body's main systems. Using Celtic salt, baking soda, and castor oil together does more than just help one part of your health. It can actually support your body in 3 major areas: your digestion, immune system, and nervous system. Here's how. 1. Digestive support. Your stomach needs the right balance of acid and alkaline to break down food properly. When things get too acidic, you might feel bloated, get heartburn, or have trouble digesting meals. Baking soda helps lower extra acid in the stomach, making it easier for food to break down. Celtic salt helps keep the stomach's fluids balanced, which can improve how nutrients are absorbed. Castor oil, when used properly, can gently stimulate your bowels and help with regular movements. That means less gas, less bloating, and a cleaner gut. 2. Immune system boost. A strong immune system protects you from getting sick. This blend supports that in a few key ways. Celtic salt gives your body important minerals like magnesium and zinc, which help build strong immune cells. Castor oil helps move lymph, the fluid that carries waste, through your body faster. This helps clear out toxins that can weaken your defenses. Baking soda makes the body more alkaline. That matters because bad bacteria and viruses struggle to grow in an alkaline environment. 3. Calming the nervous system and improving sleep. Stress and poor sleep can hurt everything from your mood to your digestion. This mix helps your body wind down, especially at night. A mix of Celtic salt and castor oil can calm your nerves and help you relax. Soaking your feet in warm water with salt and baking soda before bed can help release tension and make it easier to fall asleep. Massaging castor oil into your neck or the bottom of your feet can help your body shift into rest mode. How to do it at home. Before bed, soak your feet in a small tub of warm water with a handful of Celtic salt and a spoon of baking soda. Then rub castor oil onto the back of your neck or the soles of your feet. Lay down and relax. This simple nightly routine may help you sleep deeper, wake up more refreshed, and feel calmer throughout the day. Natural care doesn't have to be hard. Sometimes a few gentle habits can make a big difference. Skin, hair, and natural beauty, inside and out. When it comes to beauty, most people think of creams, masks, and shampoo from the store. But what if your best skincare came from your kitchen? Let's look at how this simple trio, Celtic salt, baking soda, and castor oil, can help your skin and hair glow naturally. Clearer, healthier skin. Baking soda is a gentle scrub. It helps remove dead skin, leaving your face smoother and cleaner. Castor oil goes deep. It moisturizes dry skin and fights redness. Celtic salt plus castor oil together can calm breakouts and reduce swelling, thanks to their anti-inflammatory powers. Healthy, strong hair. Your scalp is skin too. When it's healthy, your hair grows better. Try this easy hair oil blend. Half a cup castor oil, half a cup coconut oil, adds moisture and fights dandruff. 10 drops rosemary oil, helps wake up sleepy hair follicles. Mix well and massage into your scalp once a week. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight, then wash your hair. Your scalp gets fed and your hair gets stronger. Simple at-home masks. Face mask. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, and a few drops of castor oil. Rub gently, leave for 3 minutes, rinse. Hair mask. Use the oil blend above. Massage in, cover with a towel, leave for 30 to 60 minutes, then shampoo. This is beauty without chemicals. Just real, simple care, safe for your whole family. Why don't doctors talk about this? If this simple mix is so helpful, why don't more doctors recommend it? Here's the truth. Most of modern medicine follows clinical trials, big, expensive studies that test treatments on large groups of people. But natural remedies like Celtic salt and castor oil don't bring profit to drug companies, so they rarely get studied that way. That doesn't mean they don't work. In fact, thousands of people around the world have used these remedies for years and seen big results. Just because something is called alternative doesn't mean it's not effective. It simply means it's not the common choice inside the medical system. Sometimes, the simple things are quietly powerful. Let's sum it up. With just 3 simple ingredients, Celtic salt, baking soda, and castor oil, you can detox your body, boost your digestion, sleep better, relieve pain, support your immune system, improve your skin and hair. It's natural, low cost, and already in your home. You don't have to believe everything right away. Try it for 1 week. Watch how your body responds. Feel the difference. Sometimes, the best answers aren't complicated. They're simple, and they've been here all along.